Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This two-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet is a steal with less than 9,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.